Hi, today I'm part of Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's select the screen where we want to add the widget. I'll go with this one, and now we should hold for a while our device screen with the finger and tap here to widgets icon. Click here to OK. After that, we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, the calendar app has two different types of the widgets. We can see here the month view, the full month view, or the shadow. For example, let's use the shadow. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and just drag it here to the home screen. Just to reset the widget, we should hold it, and after that we can make it just bigger or smaller. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold and then just drag it. Also, we can create a new screen with the widgets, that's also not a problem. And just to remove it, we should hold it and then drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.